What are the factors affecting the decision of investment in fixed income securities? So fixed income securities are usually less risk, but there are some factors that may affect this kind of investment decisions. What are this? The following factors be evaluated in settling the fixed income advantages. What are the yield to maturity, risk of default, tax shield, liquidity? Yield to maturity were the return earned by the investor if he invests in the fixed income avenues or and hold it till its maturity. So yield to maturity, sir, I am not able to get the money out. So it is stuck for a period of time. Risk of default. Look at the credit rating of the security as well as the financial risk such as interest rate coverage, earning power, etc., and general prospect of the industry. So I think so. They are saying fixed income, the highest rate they provided, but there is an financial ratio. If I going through it, it is kind of scam. So and I think so. He may not pay us in regular basis. They can tax shield. What is it? Several fixed income avenues offer tax shields. What? Certain percentage interest, income tax rate. So that is a tax shield. Now it is the income you may get out you are maybe in a slab less than the tax rate, but right now you want to pay tax. That's a problem. Liquidity. Fixed income avenues can be converted into cash at a fairly short notice. So liquidity is very much less. I can't able to get it out. I'm not able to get loan out of it. So it's a problem. Liquidity is a great problem in fixed income securities. These are the problems. These are the limitations that they are saying.